Practice 1.3, Introducing Algebra in Under 4 Minutes, where the explanation speed is fast. Well, try this problem right now, and then come back and see how you did. Here it is. A stick of unknown length is used to draw a triangle. One side is 3 times as long as the stick. Another side is 4 times as long as the stick, and the last side is 5 times as long as the stick. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 meters. Your task is to write an equation to represent this. Well, these long paragraphs are kind of absurd. No one talks this way. We just have to pick it apart. We have a stick of unknown length, and we're going to use that as a basic measurement where the shape is the triangle. We have one side is 3 times as long, one side is 4 times as long, and the last side is 5 times as long as the stick. We're also given that the perimeter is 36 meters. So before we bring in the perimeter, let's just draw the triangle. So here we go. One side is 3 times as long as the stick. I think what I'm going to do, just for myself, is write in here the stick. So here the stick is going to be called this length. There's the length of the stick right there. That allows me to kind of draw the first side that's 3 times as long, approximately the right size, and more importantly, put a label on it, 3 times the length. Now I have to make a triangle, and I have to make this one, it's not to scale, 4 times as long as the stick. So I'll make it a little longer than the first side that I've drawn and write it as 4L. The last side will be the longest of all, and it will be 5 times the length of the stick. So what I've done is I've drawn my triangle. I've used 1, 2, 3 conditions for 3, 4, and 5 times the length, and suddenly this big complicated paragraph isn't so bad after all. They all add up to 36. So here we go. Here's the answer, which is that 3 times the length, which was this side, plus 4 times the length, which was that side, plus 5 times the length, which is this side, all adds up to 36. And I know it adds up to 36 because that was in the problem. This is the answer to the question. Well, if you want, just for fun, you can guess how long or figure out how long the length of the stick is. That's not part of the problem, but do you know what the answer is? The answer is 3 meters. Well, thanks very much. We will see you next time.